In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a clean border to your video using the Essential Graphics panel in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, let's open the workspace we need. Go to the top menu, choose Window, and then select Essential Graphics. This opens the panel where we'll create and style our border. Keep your program monitor visible so you can see the changes as you work. If you like, dock the Essential Graphics panel next to your timeline to make switching between tools easier. Now, let's create the shape that will become our border. In the Essential Graphics panel, choose either the rectangle or ellipse tool. Click and drag directly in the program monitor to draw a shape that fully covers the video frame from edge to edge. If you want a perfect square or circle, hold Shift as you drag. Premiere will create a new graphic item automatically so you can see the shape on top of your video while you work. With the shape selected, it's time to make the center transparent. In the Essential Graphics panel under Appearance, turn the fill off or set it to none. You'll see your video appear again inside the shape. This is what turns the shape into a frame instead of a solid overlay. Next, enable stroke to create the actual border. Choose a stroke color that matches your brand or stands out against your footage, then adjust the stroke thickness to taste. A thinner stroke looks subtle and modern, while a thicker stroke is bold and stylized. If you notice the border clipping at the edges, try changing the stroke alignment to center so it sits neatly along the edge of the shape. Finally, refine the size and position so it frames your video perfectly. Use the selection tool to drag the shape's handles and snap it right to the frame edges. If snapping feels too sticky, temporarily toggle it off, make your adjustment, then turn it back on. Use the alignment options in Essential Graphics to center the shape horizontally and vertically if needed. Play through a few seconds of your timeline to confirm the border looks consistent on all your shots, especially if you're mixing different aspect ratios or resolutions. That's it. You've created a clean, adjustable border using a transparent fill and a customized stroke. Save your project, and if you think you'll reuse this look, consider saving the graphic as a